Every Thursday morning, ChatGPT Work has an exact report ready for me to review. It pulls in the latest product metrics, explains what changed from the week before, updates the charts, and drafts the Slack message I share with the team. Hi, I'm Eunji. I'm a data scientist at OpenAI. One of my biggest recurring responsibility is to deliver our weekly metric readout, highlighting how my product area is doing and what changed week over week. Before ChatGPT Work, an update like this would take me 3 to 4 hours every week. If you're a data scientist or just someone working on reports, here's how you can get started. First, I switch to ChatGPT Work. You can do this on the desktop app or web. Next, I connect my reporting data in Google Drive. I've installed the Data Analytics plugin, which helps ChatGPT create better data visualizations and reports. Then I share my KPIs, targets, and an example of a report I want. Finally, I review its first report and adjust as needed. Once I'm happy with it, I schedule it to run every Thursday. ChatGPT Work with the Data Analytics plugin handles the full weekly metric workflow. It pulls this week's KPI, analyzes week-over-week changes, identifies the biggest drivers, and drafts the story behind the metrics. What used to take me hours now starts with the complete first draft. And because I've scheduled it as a recurring workflow, every Thursday morning, it's just already waiting for me.